Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P059F active grille shutter performance code. The active grille shutter component is a very simple component, and basically it is just a grille with an actual motor connected to it, and it is going to contain a flap, and these flaps are going to open and close when it is being controlled by the actual motor, where it gets its command from the computer. The computer will tell the actual motor when to open and close the flap based on a few criteria. For example, it is going to get its input from the coolant temperature sensor, ambient temperature, and it's also going to depend on vehicle speed. For example, when you start your vehicle on a cold morning, most likely the flap is going to be closed, so this is going to allow the engine to warm up much faster. Here is another example. When you're driving down the highway and you're going pretty fast, the flap on the grille is going to close, and this is going to help reduce drag, and this will help improve fuel economy. As you can see, the flap is going to open and close based on a lot of different criteria, such as vehicle speed and temperature. What symptoms should you expect when the active grille shutter is bad? The first symptom you're going to notice is going to be clicking noise. When the actual motor starts to fail, it is going to make some sort of clicking noise coming from this area, because most likely the gear or the motor itself is becoming weak, or it is falling apart, and you're going to hear a clicking noise on the grille area. The second symptom is, well, the flap is not going to open or close when the actual motor is not working at all. So if you notice the flap is stuck in the open position or in the closed position, most likely the actual motor is going to be the issue, or there's going to be another issue, which I'm going to explain later. The next symptom is, if the flap is always in the closed position, it is going to trap heat in the engine bay area, and this can cause the engine to run hotter than usual. And of course, you're going to get some sort of active grille shutter code such as P059F. What causes the active grille shutter to fail prematurely? And the number one reason is going to be caused by a bad actuator motor. So if the actuator motor is bad, what you want to do is you want to make sure that it is working properly. You want to make sure that there's power going to the connection, and you want to make sure the connection is not corroded or damaged. The second reason, it is going to be caused by blockage. If there's a buildup of leaves on the grille, or there's a lot of dirt on it and it is stuck right at the connection area, it can actually prevent the flap from opening and closing. The next reason is, if you live in an area where it's snow and the place becomes kind of very cold and icy, well, ice can actually build up on the flap end over here. It can get on the actual motor. It can cause damage to it. And since this component is located on the outside and there's an electrical component on it, it is prone to damage, again, caused by ice or snow accumulated on it. Of course, it's a very simple solution. When the ice melt or the snow melt, the flap can actually open and close again, and it might just work normally. And if the flap's not opening and closing due to a buildup of dirt accumulated on the flap or at the connection area, all you have to do is just wash it off using a garden hose, and the flap might open and close again. If you take your car to the car wash or you pressure wash your vehicle, this part over here, such as the flap and the connection and the motor itself, is actually quite sensitive. And if you spray too hard on it, it can actually cause damage to it, because the connection is actually quite fragile since it is made of plastic. And again, so be careful when washing your vehicle, because again, all that pressure can cause damage to it. Those are the reasons why you're getting P059F code. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.